Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the best tips and tricks for living a healthy lifestyle. Today, we're going to show you how to make a delicious and nutritious meal that will keep you feeling energized and satisfied all day long. So, let's get started. Cut to a shot of ingredients on a kitchen counter. Host: today, we're making a quinoa and black bean bowl with roasted vegetables. This recipe is packed with protein, fiber, and nutrients that will help fuel your body and keep you feeling full for hours. Cut to footage of someone preparing the vegetables. Host: to start, we'll need to chop up some veggies. We're using bell peppers, zucchini, and red onion, but you can use whatever vegetables you have on hand. Cut to footage of someone seasoning the vegetables. Host: once the vegetables are chopped, we'll season them with some olive oil, salt, pepper, and any other herbs or spices you like. Then, we'll roast them in the oven for about 20 to 25 minutes, or until they're tender and caramelized. Cut to a shot of someone cooking quinoa on a stove. Host: while the vegetables are roasting, we'll cook our quinoa. We're using 1 cup of quinoa and 2 cups of water, but you can adjust the amounts based on how many servings you want to make. Cut to a shot of someone assembling the bowl. Host: once the quinoa and vegetables are cooked, it's time to assemble our bowls. We'll start with a bed of quinoa, then add our roasted veggies and some black beans. We're using canned black beans, but you can also cook your own if you prefer. Cut to a shot of someone adding toppings to the bowl. Host: finally, we'll add some toppings to our bowl. We're using sliced avocado, fresh cilantro, and a squeeze of lime juice, but you can add whatever toppings you like. Cut to a shot of the finished bowl. Host: and there you have it, a delicious and nutritious quinoa and black bean bowl with roasted vegetables. This meal is not only tasty, but it's also packed with nutrients that will help fuel your body and keep you feeling satisfied. Outro music plays. Host: thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our channel for more healthy recipes and lifestyle tips.